Hey guys, and welcome to one more episode of Protecting Wildlife. Today I have Rita Groenewald, and she's from the Root and Shoots organization, and they are inspired young people. Rita, share a little bit about this amazing organization.
Hi everyone, I'm from Jane Goodall's Roots and Shoots, and we are a youth program of the Jane Goodall Institute. We help young people to find their voice and to take action and do small changes that can have a big impact for animals, people, and the environments in their local communities. We'd love for you to be part of this episode and learn more about how you can be part of Roots and Shoots.
Perfect. And so you go to the link right now, and I will send you the information on how you get hooked up to this interview, where you can see the whole amazing interview. We hope to see you there. We know it. Life is now. Click on the link and see you on the other side. Mwah. Bye, everyone.